Meaning of film star.
Film star.
Film star.
Film star.
Film star. A film star is a famous actor or actress who appears in movies. They are admired by many for their on-screen talent and often have a large following of fans. Film stars can become very successful and achieve high levels of fame, wealth, and recognition within the entertainment industry. They also often play important roles in promoting films and influencing popular culture. Overall, a film star is someone who has achieved significant success and recognition for their work in the film industry.